Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Rakesh Rai, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Buddha PG College, Kushinagar. Here I am going to start the presentation on the topic Mollusca, General Character and Classification. First of all, I would like to go through the introduction of the topic. Mollusca. It is the second largest phylum of the animal kingdom. The first largest is the phylum Arthropoda, and after that, mollusk is recognized as the second largest phylum. It includes more than 1 lakh species which inhabits diverse habit and habitat, play important role in the ecosystem. The word mollusk is derived from the Latin word mollis, which means soft. So the molluscans are free living multicellular invertebrates which are soft bodied. Invertebrates are those group of animals in which vertebral column are not present. Body is soft and it is generally covered by a hard covering which is known as cell. The cell may be absent in some species of mollusk or may be reduced. The cell, which is a hard covering, which is the protective layer of the body, when present, usually univalve. Univalve cell is made up of a single cell, or maybe bivalve when the cell is made up of two cells. Body is divisible into head, mental, foot and visceral mass. Visceral mass is a compact mass which include all the internal organs in a compact form, which is generally enclosed within a cavity which is known as mental cavity. Molluscans have true coelom, and the coelom is a body cavity which is made up of mesoderm layer. It provides tube within tube like structure. Coelom may be found in a restricted part of the body of mollusk. The mollusk have so bilaterally symmetry. They have true heart and the circulatory system is closed type. Those circulatory system in which blood flow inside the blood vessels is known as closed type of circulatory system. As far as nervous system is concerned, it ranges from simple to complex type in different species of mollusk. Digestive system is complete in mollusk, and the complete digestive system is those digestive system in which mouth and anus both are present. In mollusk, there is a digestive system is also supported with the digestive gland. A rasping organ, radula, which is a rasping tongue-like structure, is also present, which is one of the most important striking feature of the mollusk. Respiration is carried out directly or by gills or lungs or both. Respiration, which is a process of gas exchange, is generally carried out by gills when the mollusk is present in the water. And that type of respiration is known as aquatic respiration. And when the mollusk inhabit on land, then respiration is carried out by lungs. And that type of respiration is known as pulmonary respiration. इसको हम लोग pulmonary respiration कहते हैं. Mollusk, in mollusk, dioecious or monoecious, both type of species are present. Dioecious animals are those animals in which the sexes are separate, while in monoecious, male and female sexes are found in a single individual. Fertilization may be external or internal, and development may be direct or indirect. In the direct development, कोई लार्वल स्टेज नहीं बनता, डायरेक्ट यंगोन्स होते हैं. बट इनडायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट इज दोज टाइप ऑफ डेवलपमेंट इन विच देयर इज अ larval formation occur. About 1,12,000 species of mollusks have been reported. In general, they share three major set of characteristics. Body is enclosed by a blanket-like mantle cavity, which form a cavity which is known as mantle cavity. That secrete a cell, जो सेल का निर्माण करती है, made up of calcium and some other stiff structure जिसके बने होते हैं. The mantle cavity includes all the internal organs like anus, reproductive system, excretory system. Their ducts are also open into the mantle cavity. वो सारे के सारे duct open होते हैं mantle cavity में. The next, the ventral foot, muscular foot, which is the main locomotory organ which highly modified among the various group of the mollusks, which also show the adaptive radiation. This is the general body plan of the mollusk. The figures show the outermost covering, which is known as cell, which is the protective layer, and below the cell there is a cavity which includes all the internal organ like heart, pericardium, intestine, gills, excretory organ. All the things are included in this mantle cavity. Habitat and niche. These are the two terms, habitat and niche, which are different. Habitat means the habitat is recognized as the address of the organism, जहाँ पे वो रहता है. And niche is the recognized as the role which is played by the organism in the ecosystem. These are the two different things. A mollusk inhabits a variety of habitat. Mostly are found in the marine water. कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो फ्रेश वाटर में पाए जाते हैं, और कुछ ऐसे स्पेसीज और मोलस्क होते हैं जो कि लैंड में भी पाए जाते हैं. लैंड और वाटर दोनों जगह भी पाए जाते हैं. तो दिस शो द terrestrial as well as aquatic mode of life. Mollusca live on the ocean bottom and are mostly sedentary, but some are the free swimming like cephalopods. They are herbivores. ये herbivores भी हो सकते हैं और carnivorous भी हो सकते हैं. As far as classification of mollusks is concerned, Mollusca is one of the largest family of the animal kingdom. So they have more classes. In general, there are different classes. 6 classes are here. We will discuss here. Monoplacophora, Amphineura, Scaphopoda, Gastropoda, Bivalvia, Cephalopoda. मोनोप्लेकोपोरा पहला क्लास है. एम्फीन्यूरा सेकंड क्लास है जिसमें 2 सब क्लास होते हैं. 2 सब क्लास को रखा गया है. एक है एप्लेकोफोरा और दूसरा है पॉलीप्लेकोफोरा. बाइवेल्विया एक क्लास है जिसका एक दूसरा नाम होता है पैल्सीपोडा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मोनोप्लेकोफोरा, वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द मोनोप्लेकोफोरा. मोनो मीन्स सिंगल, प्लेको मीन्स cell and forearm is bear. यानी animals of which having single cell, like example Neupilina. Amphinuera having two subclasses. First is Aplacophora. A means without, placo means cell, forearm is to bear. So without cell, and the body is without cell, body is soft. The next one is the Polyplacophora. Poly means many, placo means फिर से cell and forearm is to bear. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, पॉलीप्लेकोफोरा में बहुत सारे सेल प्लेट्स पाए जाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल इसका काइटोन है. स्कैफोपोडा एक ग्रुप है जिसको कॉमनली हम लोग टस्क सेल बोलते हैं. हाथी के दांत के तरह इसके सेल होते हैं, और इसका एग्जाम्पल डेंटाइलम है. स्कैफो मीन्स होता है बोट, एंड पोडा मीन्स फूट. गैस्ट्रोपोडा में कॉमन स्नेल, स्लग्स इंक्लूड होते हैं. इन्हें यूनिवाल भी बोला जाता है क्योंकि इनके अंदर जो सेल होता है वो एक होता है और क्वाइल्ड होता है. Bivalvia is also recognized as Pachypoda, in which two cells are attached with each other, and inside the cell the animal is enclosed. Bivalvia also recognized as Pachypoda. So two balls are present, so they are also known as bivalve. And the last is Cephalopoda. In Cephalopoda, cephalo means head and poda means foot. The food modified in the form of tentacles which are present on the head, and that's why it is known as cephalopoda. Cephalopoda के example squid and octopus हो गया. मोनोप्लेकोफोरा. मोनोप्लेकोफोरा में न्यूप्लिना है. दिस क्रिएचर वाज डिस्कवर्ड इन 1950s and found around the South and Central America. Prior to 1950s, its fossil record are also found, but in 1950s, living form is found in South and Central America. Their specific characteristic includes single cell, body is oval, and on the dorsal surface of the body there is a single cell which encloses the animal, broad rounded foot. Segmentation is also found in Monoplacophora. They have 5 to 6 pair of gills and 8 pair of foot retractacles. The segmentation suggests an ancestral relationship with the annelids, because generally बॉडी जो होता है मोलस्क का वो जनरली अनसेगमेंटेड होते हैं, बट मोनोप्लेकोफोरा में सेगमेंटेशन पाया जाता है. These are the pictures show the body organization of Monoplacophora. Body is which indicate there is the oval body, and on the dorsal surface there is a cell. Anteriorly there is a mouth, and posteriorly there is a anus. इसमें क्लास सब क्लास एप्लेकोफोरा. एम्फीन्यूरा के अंतर्गत पहला जो सब क्लास है उसको एप्लेकोफोरा कहते हैं. अगेन ए मीन्स विदाउट, प्लेको मीन्स सेल, एंड फोरा मीन्स टू बियर. तो इस स्पेसिफिक कैरेक्टर इसका ये है कि ये इसमें जो एनिमल होता है वो सॉफ्ट बॉडीड होते हैं. बीइंग अ मोलस्क दे आर सॉफ्ट बॉडीड, बट दे आर लुक्स लाइक अ वर्म लाइक बॉडी. वर्म लाइक मी की तरह इनका बॉडी होता है, एंड इनके अंदर नो सेल पाए जाते हैं. बट द बॉडी वॉल इज मेड अप ऑफ ए कैल्शियम स्पिक्यूस. दैट्स वाई दे आर पुट देम इन द फाइलम मोलस्का. दे आर जनरली फाउंड ऑन द ओशियन फ्लोर. ओशियन फ्लोर के ऊपर ये पाए जाते हैं, और इनके अंदर बॉडी जो होता है उसमें सेल तो नहीं होता, बट कैल्शियम स्पिक्यूस पाए जाते हैं. ए प्लेकोफोरा के बाद पॉलीप्लेकोफोरा. पॉलीप्लेकोफोरा इज ऑल्सो ए सब क्लास ऑफ द एम्फीन्यूरा. एम्फीन्यूरा के अंतर्गत आते हैं. एग्जाम्पल काइटोन है. स्पेसिफिक फीचर इंक्लूडेड द बॉडी इज अगेन ओवल, बट ऑन द सर्फेस ऑफ द डॉर्सल सर्फेस ऑफ द बॉडी देयर आर 8 overlapping plates. 8 overlapping plates, which are the one of the characteristic feature of the chiton. And mental is thick, broad foot पाया जाता है इसमें. डिस्टिंग्विजिबल हेड होता है. रेडुला पाया जाता है, which scrape the algae and other foods on which they feeds. जनरली पॉलीप्लेकोफोरा में से एक सेल के अंदर 8 सेल प्लेट्स होते हैं जो ओवरलैपिंग करके डॉर्सल साइड में बॉडी के पाए जाते हैं। स्कैफोपोडा, स्कैफोपोडा कॉमनली इनको हम लोग टस्क सेल भी बोलते हैं। हाथी के दांत की तरह इनका टस्क कवरिंग सेल का कवरिंग होती है एंड द एनिमल इज enclosed inside the within the cell, and the cell have two opening at both the ends. Animal is present into the tubular cell. They are found in the marine water, but in this no head is found, mouth with tentacles, no eyes are present. They are dioecious animal in which the sexes are separate. इसके अंदर लार्वल डेवलपमेंट पाया जाता है जिसको हम लोग ट्रोकोफोर लार्वा बोलते हैं, एंड दैट टाइप ऑफ डेवलपमेंट इज नोन एज इनडायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट। गैस्ट्रोपोडा, इट इज द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर क्लास ऑफ द मोलास्क। इट इज द लार्जेस्ट क्लास ऑफ द फाइलम मोलास्क, सबसे बड़ा क्लास है ये, विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ द स्नेल एंड स्नेल लाइक क्रिएचर्स। स्लग भी इसमें पाए जाते हैं। Generally, the snail body is soft, but it is covered by a hard shell, and that shell is made up of a single cell, and that's why it is known as univalve cell। और इसके अंदर क्वाइलिंग होती है, इसके अंदर इस सेल के अंदर क्वाइलिंग पाई जाती है। स्पेसिफिक फीचर, दे हैव डॉर्सली लोकेटेड सेल often coiled, and they have a well developed radula, visceral mass during the embryonic development, so a rotation of 180 degree anti-clockwise rotation, which is known as torsion, which occur in gastropod during the embryonic development. They are herbivorous भी हो सकते हैं और predatory भी होते हैं। हैबिटेट में ये जो फ्रेश वाटर में पाए जाते हैं, मराइन वाटर में पाए जाते हैं, फ्रेश वाटर में लेक्स में, ओशन में, डिचेस में, पैडी फील्ड्स में पाए जा सकते हैं। इवन लैंड पे भी पाए जाते हैं। कुछ ऐसे मोलस्क होते हैं, ऐसे गैस्ट्रोपोड होते हैं जो आपको पानी में भी रह सकते हैं और लैंड पे भी रह सकते हैं, दोनों जगह रह सकते हैं। तो when they are present in the water, then aquatic respiration takes place, and when present on the land, then pulmonary respiration takes place. So both the mechanism are present in the gastropod. Like example, Pila is present. Pila is a apple snail which is present on the land, and land पे रहेगा तो pulmonary respiration होगा, और when it is present in the water, then aquatic respiration is carried out by gills. Next one is bivalvia. Bivalvia is other class of the phylum Mollusca, in which the two valve cell is made up of two valve. Two cells are held together by powerful muscles and encloses the animal. Inside the cell, the animal is present. They have no head. They have ventrally located foot that stick out between the two valves. Habitat include marine and freshwater. So they lead aquatic mode of life. They tend to burrow they into soft or sand or attached to rocks and other shell. ये उसके दरारों में या कहीं पे जनरली ये पाए जाते हैं, and in a dark condition they move. Respiration is carried out by gills. They only lead the aquatic mode of life, and food is trapped by mucus on the gills and moved by cilia. Water enters and exits through the siphon. So they are filter feeder animal. Classes Cephalopoda. The classes Cephalopoda contain the largest mollusk. Mollusk इसके अंदर जो आते हैं वो बड़े साइज के मोलास्क होते हैं। स्पेसिफिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर, दे may lack cell like octopus, but sometimes the cell may be reduced or stiffering rod like a structure like in the squid or nautilus. The foot is highly modified to form a group of tentacles which are present around the mouth, and they are found in the deep and the shallow water along many coasts. Squid and nautilus are free swimming and move very quickly. Octopus are found among the rocks or crawling on the bottom of the ocean. So these are the six important classes which are found in the phylum Mollusca, and they contain a number of widespread number of species which जो अलग अलग निवास स्थान पे रहते हैं. They play important role in the ecosystem, so they are major phylum, and these are the main characteristic feature of the phylum Mollusca. आशा करते हैं आप लोगों का कंसेप्ट क्लियर हुआ होगा. धन्यवाद.